Roborock has consistently been at the forefront of smart home cleaning, and their latest release, the Qrevo 2 Pro, packs some massive hardware upgrades under the hood. Over the past few years, robot vacuums have evolved from basic bump-and-go sweepers into full-blown hands-free maintenance systems. The Qrevo 2 Pro is built to push those boundaries further than before. We're looking at a staggering 20,000 Pascal suction rating, dynamic corner cleaning hardware that physically reaches out to grab debris, and a smart mop system that can completely detach itself when hitting carpets. Today we're going to walk through all of these features to see how it performs in everyday conditions and whether it's worth a spot on your floor. Let's go ahead and get started. Getting the Qrevo 2 Pro out of the box and ready for its first clean is pretty straightforward. Right up top, we've got the quick start guide with a QR code to download the Roborock app, along with the full owner's manual. Next up is the ramp for the base station, followed by the power cord and 2 mop pads. Underneath that, we had the Qrevo 2 Pro itself, and you'll notice the side brush comes pre-installed, so that's one less thing we've got to worry about during setup. And finally, we have the Omni base station. To get everything set up, you'll first want to find a good location for the base station near a power outlet with a strong Wi-Fi signal. Go ahead and plug it in, and underneath the clean and dirty water tanks, you'll find that the dust bag is already installed. From there, snap the ramp into place, fill up the clean water tank and reinstall it, then drop both mop pads into position on the bottom of the robot. Now we can place the vacuum onto the base station. Next, open the Roborock app, select Add Device, scan the QR code on the vacuum, and just follow the on-screen prompts to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once everything's connected, the last step is creating your map. The Qrevo 2 Pro will leave the dock station and make its way around your home, scanning and mapping each room as it goes. For my home, the entire mapping process took only about 10 minutes. Once that's finished, your Qrevo 2 Pro is set up and ready for its first clean. First up, let's dive into raw cleaning power and carpet performance. Roborock's equipped the Qrevo 2 Pro with a huge 20,000 Pascal HyperForce suction rating paired with a newly designed dual anti-tangle system. High suction numbers look great on paper, but what actually matters is how well the vacuum lifts heavy, stubborn debris and deep-set dirt without clogging or binding up. To show you how that plays out on your various surfaces, I laid out some M&Ms, some cereal. To see how this handles large particles, the heavier, chunkier debris, like the cereal and the M&Ms, disappeared almost instantly without getting scattered across the floor. Next up, I wanted to see how this handles deep-seated smaller particles like dust and sand. So I sprinkled some cornmeal and coffee grounds onto the carpet and the hard floor. The 20,000 Pascal suction isn't just picking up surface dirt, it's actively pulling up the fine particle debris that's deep down at the base of the carpet fibers. Now we've got 2 dogs, an Aussie Doodle and a Shorkie, so our vacuum has to be able to deal with pet hair, which is usually the absolute worst nightmare for any roller brush. The dual anti-tangle setup actively prevents long strands from wrapping tightly around the ends of the rollers. The main brush is split in the middle. Hairs are channeled straight into the main suction path and directly into the dustbin, saving you from having to pull out scissors every week. When it comes to rugs and carpets, standard lifting mops only raise a fraction of an inch, which can still drag damp microfibers across high-pile rugs. The Qrevo 2 Pro solves this by returning to the dock, physically detaching and dropping off its damp mop pads, and heading back out to vacuum your carpets as a 100% dry unit. Checking the rug immediately after a run, it's completely bone dry to the touch, which is a huge advantage. One of the biggest flaws that has plagued traditional robot vacuums for years is edge and corner dead zones. Because most robots are round, they physically can't get their brushes or mop pads all the way into a tight 90-degree corner or directly up against baseboards. To put this edge coverage to the test, I pushed some M&Ms right into the sharp 90-degree corners and placed a coffee spill along the baseboard trim. As the Qrevo 2 Pro approaches the wall, the side brush actually reverses its rotation, flicking those trapped M&Ms out of the dead corner and straight into the suction path. The edge mopping tackled the edges, leaving nothing behind. The mechanical FlexiArm dynamically extends outward, pushing the spinning pad flush against the baseboard it wiped away the stain completely without leaving that annoying half-inch unclean gap you usually get with standard circular robots. Once the pass is complete, the entire edge is completely spotless from end to end. On the navigational side, the Qrevo 2 Pro uses reactive tech obstacle avoidance to spot and navigate around everyday floor clutter. This did a great job for obstacle avoidance. I scattered shoes and toys across the living room floor. In my testing, it was able to recognize and smoothly navigate around common household objects like shoes and toys without getting stuck or pushing them across the floor. It also did an impressive job maneuvering around chair and table legs, hugging closely around the furniture to clean as much of the surrounding area as possible without constantly bumping into things. Overall, it handled the kinds of everyday obstacles you're likely to have around the house really well. Where a robot like this really earns its keep is hands-free convenience, and that comes down to its autonomous, hygienic, multifunctional dock. A great vacuum isn't very helpful if you still have to clean out the dustbin and scrub mop pads manually every single day. After tackling all the mess tests on the floor, the robot returned home and docked itself. The dock automatically emptied the robot's internal dustbin using high-pressure suction, transferring all the dirt into a sealed bag. Then it blasts the dual-spinning mop pads with hot water to break down grime and oil, followed by a quiet, warm air drying cycle. That warm air drying is crucial because it eliminates the risk of mold, mildew, and bad odors building up over time. Inside the Roborock app, you get granular control over the whole experience. You can adjust mop washing frequency based on room types, tweak suction levels, set up automated schedules, or trigger quick clean routines for high traffic zones like the kitchen. Having tested dozens of vacuums over the years, the biggest difference between a decent robot and a truly great one comes down to how much effort it actually saves you day to day. Early robot vacuums felt like you had to actually prep the room and clean for them before they could clean for you. But machines like the Qrevo 2 Pro completely flip that dynamic. Between the 20,000 Pascal suction power, reliable obstacle avoidance, and a dock that genuinely handles the dirty work on its own, it takes care of daily floor maintenance so you almost never have to touch or think about it. If you've been looking to upgrade your setup with high-end automated features without stepping into astronomical price territory, this is definitely one of the most complete options available right now. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can check out the Qrevo 2 Pro and grab any active discounts. Be sure to drop a comment below letting me know what features you'd use the most. Also, be sure to hit the thumbs up button if this video was helpful. That about wraps it up for this one. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.